Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to create templates for different project types in CLICKUP as per the complete 2025 guide. So let's get started. First up, you'll want to log into your CLICKUP account and navigate to the Templates section. This is where you'll be creating and managing all your templates. Now, why is this important? Templates can save you a lot of time and energy by providing a preset structure for your projects. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the second step. Here, you'll need to click on the Add New button to create a new template. You'll see a variety of options, including task, list, and folder templates. Choose the one that best suits your project type. The reason we do this is to ensure our templates align with our project's specific needs. For instance, a folder template might be ideal for a large project with multiple tasks and lists. Next up, begin customizing your template. Start by giving it a meaningful name, then add any tasks, subtasks, or checklists as required. This helps us because it provides a clear guide for what needs to be done in the project, reducing confusion and streamlining the work process. Once you've added all the necessary details, it's time for the final step, saving your template. Click the Save button, and your template will be ready to use for any future projects. Let me explain why this matters. Having a ready-made template not only speeds up your project setup, but also ensures consistency across all your projects. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each time you create a template, CLICKUP stores it in the cloud. This means you can access your templates anytime, anywhere, and even share them with your team, which is a game changer for collaboration. And that's it. In just 4 simple steps, you've created a customized project template in CLICKUP. Remember, the key is to align your template with your project type and needs. Templates in CLICKUP are powerful tools to help you manage your work more efficiently and effectively. Thank you for tuning in. Stay organized and see you in the next video.